Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear second standard students. Today discuss about word problems. See here, everybody open from your activity book. Activity book. Grade 2, Volume 1, Activity book. See here. Page number 35. See once listen. Everybody write down in your activity book. Anand found 25 blue stones and 75 green stones on the beach. Anand and his family went to a beach. While walking, he found out 25 blue stones and 75 green stones on the beach.
So the following what problem is.
How many stones did he find together?
Okay.
How many stones did he find all together? See means here 25 plus 75. So first we add the digits in one's place. First we add the digits in one's place. 5 plus 5 is equals to 5 in the mind, and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, so in it 0 is taking and right under one's column. So this is 1 space, this is 10 space. Now and carrying 1 in 10's column. Now next we add the digits in 10 space along with carrying. So you can write 1 plus 2 plus 7. 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3. What we get? 1 plus 2, you can get 3. Next we can add 3 plus 7. 3 in the mind, we have to take 7 fingers in your both hands. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can get 10. So you can write 10 under 10's column. So therefore, so the total stones is equals to 100. Write down everybody in your activity book. Now next, Shruti bought 46 chocolates for her brother's birthday and 53 chocolates for her sister's birthday. Okay. How many chocolates did she buy in total? The total chocolates you can find out. Means Shruti went to a shop and he bought chocolates. So he bought 46 chocolates her brother's birthday. వాళ్ళ అన్నయ్య యొక్క బర్త్డేకి 46 చాక్లెట్స్ తీసుకొచ్చింది. అండ్ 53 చాక్లెట్స్ ఫర్ హర్ సిస్టర్స్ బర్త్డే. వాళ్ళ అక్క వాళ్ళ బర్త్డేకి 53 చాక్లెట్స్ తీసుకొచ్చింది. సీ హియర్ హౌ మెనీ చాక్లెట్స్ డిడ్ షీ బై ఇన్ టోటల్. ఆమె మొత్తం ఎన్ని చాక్లెట్స్ కొనుక్కొచ్చింది. సీ హియర్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ everybody write down in your activity book. See here 46 chocolates means ones tens. Next 53 chocolates. See, listen. First we add the digits in one's place. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 means 6 in the mind and 3 in the hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So you can get 9. What do we get? You got 9. 9 is the single digit number, you can write under ones column. Then you can add the digits which are in tens place. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. 4 after you can count. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 right under tens column. So therefore, the total chocolates is equals to 99. See here, next one. Tom has 132 story books. Tom, that is the name of the boy. Tom has 132 story books. Salman has 241 story books. How many books in all? How many books in all? You can add it. So this is a 3-digit number. It has 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, Tom has 132 story books. 132. Next, Salman has 241 story books. See, the given number. The given numbers write in column wise. Then first we can add the digits in ones place. So once observe ones place digits 2 and 1 means we can add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, what we get? Very simple. 2 in the mind, 1 in the hand, 2 after 1, 3. What we get? 3. This is the single digit number. You can write 3 under ones column. Now next, the digits in tens place you can add. Next what? The digits in tens place. You can add the digits in tens place, that is 3 plus 4. 3 in the mind, 4 in the hand, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we get? You can get 7. 7 is a single digit number, you can write under tens place, tens column, sorry. Now next, the digits in hundreds place you can add last. See here, we can add the digits in hundreds place, that is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand, 1 after 2, 3. You can write 3 here. So the total books is equals to 373. Now next, a pet store has 58 birds. A pet store has 58 birds. Pet store lo 58 birds unnaya. The owner bought 16 more birds. Owner bought 16 more birds. Inka 16 ఎక్కువ తీసుకొచ్చాడు. How many birds are there in the pet store now? ఆ pet store లో ఇంకా ఎన్ని birds ఉన్నాయి? Now, two digit number means it has two places, ones, tens. 58 birds and 16 birds. See here. First we add the digits in ones place, that is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 means 8 in the mind hand, 6 fingers in your hand. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 14. So in it 4 and taking right under one's place. So 1 is carrying in tens place. Then you can add 3 digits. Okay? That is 1 plus 5 plus 1. See here, 1 plus 5. 1 in the mind and we have to take 5 fingers in your hand. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we get? 6 beta. Now we can add 6 to 1. 6 in the mind and 1 in the hand. 6 after 1, 7. So we can write here 7 under tens column. So the total birds is equals to 74. Next time beta. Next time. Page number 36. Draw the ends of the cloth to show your daily schedule. See page number 36. I am dash. I am dash means in it you can write your name. I am. My name is Satyam. Okay. See, I can draw one cloud. See here, this is 12, 6, 9, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. C. First one C. I wake up at, see, I wake up 6 o'clock. So you can draw very simple. 6 o'clock. Everybody draw in your activity book. See, first figure. You can draw here 6 o'clock. Everybody look at the blackboard. What I am drawing, you can draw in your activity book, first figure. So 6 o'clock wake up. Next one, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth at 6:15. 6:15. This is 6 o'clock. So 6:15. 15 means 1 5 minutes, 2 10 minutes, 3 15 minutes, 4 20 minutes, 5 25 minutes, 6 30 minutes, 7 35 minutes, 8 40 minutes, 9 45 minutes, 10 50 minutes, 11 55 minutes, 12 60 minutes. 60 minutes you make a 1 hour. So you can, I brush my teeth at 6:15. Everybody draw second figure. 6:15. Next, third one, I take bath at 6:30. Six 30 means you can draw two hands. Same. See here. This is small hand. This is long hand. 6:30. I eat my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Breakfast 7:30. 7 o'clock. Next, breakfast. This is 7:30. I eat my breakfast at 7:30. Next, I go to school at 8:30. I go to school at 8:30. This is 8:30 means you can write the small hand after 8:30 means the bigger hand on 6. 8:30. Next, my assembly is at 9 o'clock. My assembly is at 9 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Rasu. I have lunch at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Next, I came back from school at 4 o'clock. I come back from school. Four o'clock. Next, I go to play at 5 o'clock. I go to play at 5 o'clock. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock p.m. Post meridian. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. Next, last one, I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. So today class is completed. Tomorrow observe each clock and note down its time. So thank you everybody.